siempre el mejor, mejor que nadie más. Atraparlo mi revés, entregarlo mi ideal.
Hello my friends, today I have the pleasure to teach you about Half-Life. The only problem is that I don't even know what is Half-Life, so, let's call a friend. Mario.
I am here, in what I can help you.
I just wanted you to help me to explain what is Half-Life.
There is a problem, I also don't even know what is Half-Life.
I was hoping you to know it is a problem.
Yep, what are we going to do?
Let's use a YouTube video, it saved me many times.
Hello, I am Tasha the scientist and I am gonna explain you about half-life decay. Scientists look at half-life decay rates of radioactive isotopes to estimate when a particular atom might decay. A useful application of half-life is radioactive dating. This has to do with figuring out the age of ancient things. If you could watch a single atom of a radioactive isotope, U-238, for example, you won't be able to predict when that particular atom might decay. It might take a millisecond, or it might take a century. There's simply no way to tell. But if you have a large enough sample, a pattern begins to emerge. It takes a certain amount of time for half the atoms in a sample to decay. Radioactive dating is helpful for figuring out the age of ancient things. Carbon-14 C14, a radioactive isotope of carbon, is produced in the upper atmosphere by cosmic radiation. The primary carbon-containing compound in the atmosphere is carbon dioxide, and a very small amount of carbon dioxide contains C14. Plants absorb C14 during photosynthesis, so C14 is incorporated into the cellular structure of plants. Plants are then eaten by animals, making C14 a part of the cellular structure of all living things. As long as an organism is alive, the amount of C14 in its cellular structure remains constant. But when the organism dies, the amount of C14 begins to decrease. Scientists know the half-life of C14, 5,730 years, so they can figure out how long ago the organism died, in biology and pharmacology. A biological half-life is the time it takes for a substance, drug, radioactive nuclide, or other to lose one half of its pharmacologic, physiologic, or radiological activity. In a medical context, the half-life may also describe the time that it takes for the concentration of a substance in blood plasma to reach one half of its steady state. Anywhere you see it, half-life is the time to something to be reduced in half. Well applied, half-life helps scientists knowing age of many things. So, thanks by hearing, this is all I can teach you. Wish you like it.
Sue, you paid attention?
Not really, because we are in the space, and I was seeing this alien dancing.
Oh well, I don't judge you, at least you learn how to dance cumbia. I learned to don't believe that you really gonna help me, and are public about Half-Life.
Yep, and now go my kids and learn more about science. Don't forget to leave your like. Bye bye.
Quiero decirte al oído tantas cosas preciosas que estoy sintiendo por ti.